morning. Sorry it's been so long since our last video. We've just had a manic 6 months, but it's no excuse. We're back on it now, hopefully, and we'll get some decent footage. We're going to
Scotland, Isle of Skye, Glencoe.
Big road trip, Auburn, maybe go to Mull. We're definitely going to Skye, touring around Skye. There's loads of lovely places on there. Glencoe,
climbing Ben Nevis.
Yep, Ben Nevis, Papa Glencoe. So there's loads to do. We're going to do some cooking in the van again. But yeah, we'll try and get our act together and put some funny, decent videos together. So follow us.
See you later.
Bye. Not Starbucks, sorry.
Oh.
Costa. We're at Carlisle, so trap on now, up towards Glasgow, and then over the Erskine Bridge, along Loch Lomond to Kiln Church Castle, not church.
Yes.
We've watched loads of videos on it and yet we still get it wrong, the names. Bear with us, honestly, we'll get there, promise you. It'll be better. It can only get better. So we just pulled off the motorway. We're about 10 miles out of Glasgow. Westy's doing good. Boo Boo's just having a wee. Tracy's gone for a wee. We're up with refreshments and carry on. We've got about 85 miles to go to get to where we're going. We're stopping tonight. Sun's shining, really good. Nice start to a bank holiday weekend. Catch you in a bit. Here we go, Erskine Bridge. Little view of the Loch Lomond. The dog's dying to get out. We're only 28 miles away from where we're going, but we thought we'll stop and have a little bit of lunch. There we go, Trace. Lovely. I'll be cheese. Do you want some? Yeah? Dog's pestering me. Catch you in a minute. Tracy's building a toasty in the Ridge Monkey. Apparently. This is how you do it.
What you do when you've got a cockapoo who's starving and he's dribbling over everything. So yeah. We have to do it in stages.
Why are you buttering both sides of the...
Because it's better when you do that with a toaster.
Is it?
Yeah, trust me.
Great. Can hardly wait.
You just concentrate on the coffee.
You don't need to like that.
Yeah, I'm liking it. And yes, people, he is always like this all the time.
Who, me? No. Looking good. Is the cheese melting?
Not yet.
So it's burnt on the outside and not cooked in the middle. Great.
Take 2.
Is it ready?
Stick that in your mouth and shut
Oh,
up.
look at that. Ridge Monkey Toasty. Spicy cheese, ham, bread, lovely. And a nice cup of coffee. And a nice location. What can you ask for? 2 weeks off. Yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Where's yours?
In here. How is it? Alright. Is it spicy?
Spicy. Nice. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's because you
Can't beat
didn't
that.
bring
That
the
is an
normal
amazing bit
cheddar.
of kit, isn't it? I know. It's an amazing bit of kit, that.
It is.
Yeah. When you leave the cheddar at home, you've got to have the spicy cheese. And we'll have the crackers dry later. Yeah. Because that's what we always do. We always forget something. Always. But not perfect. And the dog's about to get the butter. Sit down. I'll eat this now, thanks. Cheers. So, hang on. Spicy cheese and ham Ridge Monkey Toasty, made by your own fair hands.
I know.
Taste test.
Good.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Oh.
Lunch over with. Time to strap on. Get to our location. Another 28 miles, 43 minutes. Along Loch Lomond to
Kilchurch Castle, not church.
Yes.
Castle.
get some nice photographs, get the camera out, and a bit of drone action.
Yeah,
As long
find
as
a nice quiet spot for the night.
yeah, a bit of a wild camp spot if we can find one along the way. If not, we'll just go to the Clacake Inn, which is amazing, but that'll be in another video soon. Stunning location. So we've just turned left at the Green Welly, left onto the A85 towards Auburn, where you can go straight on to the A82 to the amazing Glencoe, which we will be going to.